every one of you. What you're about to see tonight is brought to you by two performing arts groups. One of them is called Folklore de mi Tierra. Folklore de mi Tierra is a local Colombian community from Winnipeg. Also, the other group is called Ballet Folclórico del Huila. They came all the way from Colombia, traveling 15 hours, especially from Praga. Before we start with the party, I would like to remind you that the food and bar counter is on your left, and the exit at the end of every show is on your right. Please don't forget to check out our cultural displays as well as the souvenir stands before you leave. I would like to start a party with something that everybody is very familiar with already. So please enjoy